Hi everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Today I'm going to share with you some cards that I've been making. These cards are pretty much all made from this paper pad Safe Freeze, and this is from last year, I believe, that I bought this, and I'm working my way through it. I've just got probably about half a dozen different sheets left in there, and it's got some really cute patterns and little snowman, lots of poinsettias and holly, some ornaments, and these ones with the messages on that say Hello Winter, Merry Christmas, Peace and Cheer. Lots of cute designs on there. So this is the first one I've done here with this background that's got all the sentiments on it, like I said there. And I've used a rectangle die for all the backgrounds on these in different patterns. And then with this one, I've cut out a smaller rectangle, just cut out the word Merry Christmas from that same paper on the rectangle die there and popped that up with some 3D tape on the back. I used a stamp from the stamp set here. It doesn't really have a name, but it's got some different designs in here, trees and snowflakes and holly and the deer and a few words, and then the ornaments are the ones that I've used for the stamping. And so I stamped those on a rectangle die as well in the red and the green, and they turned out really pretty. And I just added some stickle on there, and I used a little tiny punch that I had, and I don't think I have it out right now, but punched out these little red bows in some foil paper and added those on there. And I think it turned out really pretty. I added some iridescent snowflake that I had on there and just stuck one on this particular one. I think I've used more on some of the other ones. So there's that. Here's the second one. This one I used the word peace as the accent on there and popped that up on 3D tape as well. And decorated the stamped ornaments the same on there. So that's really pretty. Now these I've left blank inside so that I can either write on them or, you know, sometimes I give them away. So then that leaves it free for whoever is the recipient to write whatever they like in there. And here's another one. This one has got the holly paper in the background. I've used some different shaped scalloped circle dies here and put a smaller ornament from that same set there in the center there, and just added a gemstone on there to dress it up and some stickle as well. And then the Merry Christmas, I popped that up on the 3D tape. I've done a couple of different ones here. Let's see, this one is kind of a snowy background, and I used one of the larger scalloped circle dies on there and cut that message out that says Let It Snow. It's got a little snowman and some snowflakes on there. And this is where I've used those iridescent snowflakes to put on top as well. And then it says Noel on there, and I popped that up on 3D tape. And a little piece of a little plaid oval that I die cut out as well. So that's really cute. And then one more with the snowman. And this paper on the background has these kind of really glittery red polka dots. So it's kind of a fun one. And then I added the snowman with the little snowflakes that I've placed on, one on his hat and one in the corner there. This says Warmest Wishes, and that's from that same paper that I used in the previous cards there. And then I die cut out 2 circles with the little gifts on there, and I popped those up on the 3D tape on the back to accent them. So that's turned out really cute. So these were really kind of fun to do. And then I went ahead and also did some gift tags. And these ones I used some green paper that was the same print basically as the red, just the different color. So I used that for the tags and cut out circle dies with that. And then the scalloped die in the center, I stamped a little holly leaves on there and added the little red gemstone. Let's see. Here's another one with the round circle green in the background there with the writing on it. And then just added a stamp that says Merry Christmas and some snowflakes on there. Another one the same. Here's a larger one. with a round stitched circle die, and then the scalloped one, and then another circle one that said warmest wishes on that I cut out, and just added a gemstone on there. I've used the red and white baker's twine for these, and that's right here. You can buy this at probably at the dollar stores, but I think I purchased this at Michael's. And oh, and the last one I did was just this little snowman that I cut out with the gift shaped tag, and just cut a smaller one. I thought he was cute throwing the snowballs, and I stamped no peeking on there, so that's a cute little gift tag that you could put on a package, and you could write on the back. And yeah, so I had some fun doing these, and these are a couple more of the ornaments that I stamped, and then I embossed these ones. So there's lots of options that you can do with just a few items, and so those are the cards I wanted to share with you today. So hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.